All glories to Guru and Gauranga. May the OM-Love be with us. May we be blessed with pure understanding of the divine. So I want to share a few thoughts on some questions that I received. So person asked me, I want to have godlike energy, strength and power. I want all my chakras unlocked and tapped into. There's more than 7. And I want to know my true self, who I am, and also be fully mind, body, heart, soul and spirit healthy and happy. I want more, I just don't know what yet. And then the person shared something from an account which says we are the ancestors, you're the voice and the brain, and you have to share what you have received, and we are descendants of the Anunnaki, and we come from the sun, we are the beginning and the end, and don't follow religion, and follow nature and the sun, etc. So, and they are not scared of hell, etc. So let me first say something about that. But actually no, I will do that later. Let's first give all the questions and then all the answers. And also I believe in telekinesis, telepathy and powers. Is it possible that I could unlock and control these? And can I get to the top, like reach success without selling my soul? I also want to be rich and have lots of money, at least in the millions. So the first reply after reading all this was something that my Gurudev used to say, and that is, can you blow your cheeks and laugh at the same time? And obviously the answer is no. So further from what I've learned from the Vedic pure teachings is that those who say we are the Anunnaki, they say they come from the sun, but Anu means subordinate or tiny, and Naki comes from Naga, means snakes. So they're actually races from below the earth who are more like a reptile character and not of the character of the sun, who is a pure devotee and who are servants, pure servants of God. Almost pure, but like very advanced. So also they say don't follow religion, but do they know what religion actually means? Religio means reconnect with God. Of course one needs to find pure religion and not organized, subverted and tainted religion, because truth cannot be found by our own strengths, because our senses are limited and logic based on such experience has no solid foundation. That is also supported by the Vedanta Sutra verse Taka Pratishtanat, and if there is interest we can make a separate video on the fallacy of logic as I have learned it from my teacher Shri Prem Prayojan. So we are actually Anuchit, not Anunnaki. Anuchit means subordinate tiny spiritual particles. We need to receive guidance and strength from pure God source. Everything else is delusion. If chakras are blocked, it is due to misuse of their powers. All resources are meant to be used in alignment with source or God intentions. The superhuman powers a part of you may want to achieve are possible if you take birth as a half-god in one of your future lives. But what is the use if that is not your true eternal nature and purpose of existence? Will a fish be able to find true happiness on land? Same goes for becoming super rich. It largely depends on karma, which is like a hand of cards we have received according to our past lives. We can become aware of our karma cards and play them wisely to make the best of the deal, but we cannot achieve anything beyond that in this life. And then again the question begs, what is the point to strive for such extraordinary powers or riches or anything if that is not our true nature, our purpose, and will not give us the happiness and fulfillment that we're actually searching for? So we have to ask the right questions, and when we receive the answers to that, what is my true nature? What is my purpose? How can I really become happy? And why did I come here in the first place in this situation in which I'm not fully happy? Then we can reverse the course and reach our true destination and true happiness. I hope this makes sense for you. Any comments or questions are welcome. May the Om-Love be with you. Please check the description of the video for further links. Jai Shri Radhe Shyam.